Now I'm going to go over how to use the new power menu in the Android 11 beta. So I do have the beta installed on the Pixel phone that I'm using currently. So to open up the power menu, just long press on the power button on the side of your device. And as you can see here, you get pretty much the same stuff you had before. At the top, you get, you can turn the phone on or off or restart it, look at emergency info, or pay with Google Pay immediately from here if you have credit cards added. But the new thing in the beta is down here at the bottom. These are home controls that you can quickly adjust things like your smart lights or your smart thermostat or any other devices that you've added in the Google Home app. So make sure you've set up your smart devices appropriately in the right rooms and everything in the Google Home app. And once you've done that, you'll see stuff to start appear in this power menu. So this stuff is pretty basic. So like if I want to turn the kitchen lights on or off, I just tap. Now they're on, and I can slide my finger to adjust the brightness of the lights to whatever I want it at, and it'll adjust them. If you have a smart thermostat, you can have that here too, and if I tap on it, you can see I get the full controls just like I would in the Google Home app, if you're familiar with that. And I can adjust the temperature, which is right here in the middle of what it's set to whatever I'd like it to be. And I can see the indoor temperature of the house is down here. And I can change if it's in cool, heat cool, or put it in whatever mode I want. So if I want to switch it to eco mode, I can go ahead and do that, and it'll just take a second to switch. And if I tap on this arrow here at the top, it's going to go ahead and launch the full app there for me. So I can go ahead and get to settings and things like that for this device if I so choose. But let's head back to the power menu. Now, if you have some groups or devices here missing that you want to quickly add and control, as long as they're in the Google Home app, you can go ahead and do so. If you tap on the three dots here, you can click Add Controls. And you can see it's organized by room, very much like the Home app is. And you can see I have all my individual lights, my smart remote stuff, Chromecast, things like that are right here and are accessible. And I can just check and uncheck the ones I want to show up in that power menu. Now these groups at the top are automatically created based on what you have in the Home app. So as long as you've added, say, all your family room lights into the right room and stuff in the Home app, if you're familiar with that, it'll pop up here as a group. I didn't have to do anything extra to make it a group to pop up here. So I want to add the family room lights group to that little quick menu thing in the power menu. So I'll tap on that and make sure you click Save in the bottom right. Once you do that, you can see I now have the family room lights that I can tap and adjust to whichever brightness that I want. Now, if I want to change the order of these icons, I can do that too by selecting the three dots, clicking Edit Controls. Now I can long press on the one I want to move and move it to wherever I want the order to be, and then tap Save in the bottom right. Now you'll see family room lights are at the top. So that's how you can go and use this kind of smart home control in the power menu here, how you can add or remove certain devices here, and how you can reorganize them to fit your needs. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get notified about other helpful tech videos I post to the channel. Thanks for watching.